agitated. So I'm probably gonna put the phone down here because I'm covered in dirt. My truck is destroyed, and I just want to go home at this point. And all I'm doing is more and more damage to my truck. Oh, I also wanted to say too, I did lose a significant amount of footage. So you have to bear with me on a bunch of things for the next couple videos. The next couple videos that you see are gonna kind of look like they're missing a bunch of things. And it's because my computer got wet and I lost some footage, but we're working on recovering it. So with that being said, now we can roll the footage. Well, I'm just gonna start this off by saying I was not gonna make a video about getting this vehicle per se. I was gonna do a build at the shop, and you guys were gonna see it once it got back to the shop. But I'm in a little bit of a predicament now, and I don't want to say that it's the Denali's fault because I don't believe it is, but it's definitely, I don't have enough traction to get up through here. The Denali did its best. It almost made it. As you can tell, it went pretty far up. This probably doesn't seem like much of a hill, but this thing is absolutely a lot steeper than I thought it was. I bought this truck down at the base of this hill, and the guy basically said, you know, it's a little bit of an incline, I should be good. And I definitely thought I could do it. I didn't think it was going to be anything crazy after driving down here to get the truck. So we do have the truck loaded up. I own the truck, but I'm just a little nervous now. I don't know how I'm going to go ahead and get this out, because at this point, I don't even think he can get a skid loader down to me to pull it up and out. But we're going to see what we can do and just kind of go from there. Don't know where this video is going to go, but I'm literally stuck on the side of a mountain. And welcome to new 85 Chevy C10, two-wheel drive, no engine, no tranny. I don't really know too much about it yet. It's been sitting for a couple years. I'll show you guys a little bit more once I figure out how the heck I'm gonna get out of here. All right, I guess I'll show you guys a little bit more. So like the path that I did make, travel, is like a road, but the problem is it's high grass, and this trailer is pretty heavy to say the least. I think at this point what I'm gonna have to do is unload the truck and then see if we can't drag just the truck up. I don't really know how this is gonna go. I don't really know what I'm gonna plan on doing, but we got the truck down there, and I'm about halfway up the mountain, as you can see, and that's about where the Denali started sliding. And because I have those wheels on it, once I got it parked, I stopped. I did not try to pack it down anymore because there's like a groove. You can't see this, but this is like a big water run out right here that goes down through the whole way. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just called the guy. He's actually at the top. He's gonna come down here and try to give me a hand or try to guide me before I unload this truck. But yeah, so it might look like a parts truck right now, but I have everything to put this thing back together, as you guys do know, and it's a pretty solid sound truck. Very, very little rust. I'll show you all that actually. Why I'm waiting, like, yes, it is a little bit wrecked here on this section. This door, he said he hung there. It doesn't actually bolt up because of the way the fender is, so he has basically the shim kit back. But the rest of the truck is actually fairly rust free, and even the rocker here that took a little bit of a hit isn't in bad shape, but we should be able to pull all that out and be good. But without further ado, I'm gonna wait for him, and if I have to unload this thing and drag it up, that's what we're gonna do. Kind of sucks to be by myself in this one, but I just thought it was a simple one, and that's kind of why I wasn't recording anything, because it was just supposed to be a simple in and out quick job. But here we are. Oh my goodness, I just went to get back in the truck, and this thing was literally spotless. I'll show you a picture in a second here. This thing was spotless before I took the trip, and it looks like right here I actually hit the bank with my wheel. Oh man, I don't see any damage, but we definitely hit the bank right there, and it is what it is. All right, let me see if I can get this thing back down and maybe get more speed. I don't really know. Try to record what I can here. I sort of wish Mud Junkie 99 was available. to come with me on this one. I also sort of wish I bought new tires before I came to this one. I'm in a pretty bad situation, but we got a new build. If I can actually get it out of here. I'm gonna tear these wheels up. Oh God, it's sliding. I don't think you guys are gonna realize how hard it is to not slide off of a mountain. Like, I'm sliding over here and try to record so that you guys can get some footage and get out safely so that I don't damage my truck. What the heck is that? What are you? Oh my gosh. What the heck is that? Is this truck even worth it at this point? We're going. Oh, come on, please. Just keep going without breaking an axle. Oh, we're going. Okay. I'm gonna give my truck a little bit of a rest here. I need fuel. Every light on the dash is on. But we're making it. I don't know where this guy is. It is a little bit of a drive up to his place here. But, oh man. Oh my God, look at my tire. Oh my gosh. Some things just might not be worth it. All right, so I am actually at like the clearing here to the guy's property. The problem is I still have to get up this little bit, and now we're in wet grass, which is making it 10 times harder for me to get up. But once I get here, it's flat, and then there's a driveway literally right here. But I have to get to there before I can actually get out of this. Man, definitely was supposed to be an easy one. I probably said it 10 times, but this was not supposed to be as difficult as it is or as it was. Definitely ordered new tires last week and they did not come in. Oh my God, my trailer's disgusting. But we did make it a pretty good amount of distance for what it is. So I think this is where I first slid down in and hit the wheel here. But yeah. This is not and was not supposed to be this difficult. This was supposed to be drive in, load up the square body, and leave. But again, this hill really does no justice on this camera. Like, this is me looking straight ahead, and that's where the truck is. So this is straight ahead. This is eye level, literally eye level, straight ahead. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna keep trying to get this thing out of here. All right, guys and girls. Well, we've got the DENALI back here, and obviously we've got the square body here again. It wasn't the easiest, and again, I was not planning on making a video to go buy this thing because you guys have seen me go buy 100 different things. It just so happened I picked up the GoPro at the end, and again, I threw a rope plug in the front tire there. It held so far. I did order new tires anyway, so they should be here. Probably, but they're probably already on the truck by the time you see this video. But there is our new square body. Now, this is a 1985 again. It was sitting for a little bit, so it is hit right here. We'll get that all straightened out. It is sitting for a little bit. We're going to get everything cleaned up. And you guys do know I have that Suburban down there or over there without a title. So basically what I'm going to do is pull the drivetrain, pull engine, trans, everything out of that and put in this, because obviously this one has a title, and we're just going to go from there. So let me know if you guys want to see me change the color, or do I just clean it up. And the problem is that the doors that I have to make this thing nice are off of the Suburban, so they're going to be what is that, like a yellow or a tan. But I have everything in the front. I have everything that I really need to make this thing one. It's now putting in the time, putting in the effort to go ahead and do so. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Again, sorry I seem drained right now, but I promise you I'm in a better mindset. I'm in a better mood than ever, and I'm excited to do this because I've always wanted to do a square body, and the time is here. The time is now. And again, like you guys know by now, this one will actually 110% happen, and it's going to happen pretty quick. So by the time you guys see this thing probably already runs and drives at this point. But again, I'm trying to do everything a little bit different, a little bit more, get things done and then upload the video, get things done and then upload the videos once everything's done. So that way you guys can't say I didn't do anything, and you'll just have to stay tuned and see how things go. All right, comment, like, subscribe. If you are here, say Silverado down in the comment section. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. I know I didn't show this thing, but I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys that this thing does not have much rust on it. You can tell already by the tailgate that normally these things rust out all down through there. This bumper obviously is a chrome bumper, but there is no rust pretty much the entire length of this thing. The tailgate is actually clean. This is all just, you know, from sitting, but there's a little bit of spot here. Wheel wells are actually in really good shape. Inside the wheel liner, which is usually trashed, is absolutely nice. These frames don't typically rot out, and most of the bed rails most of the time rot out, but this one here is actually nice. All the bed rails are nice. And again, maybe we'll paint this frame up a little bit and keep this one. And I don't know, I don't anticipate keeping it. I kind of want to flip it because it'll get me in another vehicle that I really want. But again, this door will get replaced. This rocker is super solid. As you can see, the cab corner could use done, but I don't know how in depth I'm going to get with this one. Again, this is just going to be basically a quick flip. You can see while the intention is to be a quick flip, you can tell even the wheel liner is actually in pretty good shape. Usually they're all rotted out and terrible, but the grill's all intact. A little bit of wear and tear under the headlights here, but it's not terrible. The hood's in good shape. Fenders are all in good shape. Again, this one is a little bit hit, but it isn't really a big deal. If you guys know me, you guys know I can tackle just about anything at this point. And when I have my mind set, I will. This side here, this is bowed in a little bit, so I'll probably knock that out a little bit. But again, it's in pretty solid shape for what it is. Bed rails again are all good. This is all just surface, like, so scuff this and paint it and it would go away, or it would seal it and prevent it. But overall, it's a pretty solid truck. I'm happy with the purchase. I'm pleased, and can't wait to show you guys it fired up.